Hi everyone, Mike Jr. here. We were disappointed to have to cancel our open house. We decided to do a little presentation to bring the sights and sounds of open house, trying to recreate that on a digital format for you guys out there in the world. I realize we can't send the typical bratwurst, hamburgers, and beers that we usually have at our open house to you in a cardboard box. So we tried to do the next best thing. So we put a little open house care package together. We'll be able to send it out, mail it right to you, so you can get a little goodie bag from Banner. We will have information on getting one of these care packages on all of our social media platforms. There'll be forms to fill out, so keep an eye out for that. I want to thank our vendors and the film crew, Boom Reactive, for helping us put this all together. Without your help and vision, we couldn't have done this. I guess you guys have spent a long time, a lot of months doing Zoom meetings and these type of conferences where you're staring on the inside of somebody's boring office. So we thought we'd hire the pros to help us show off what we got going on here at Banner. So without further ado, welcome to the virtual 2020 Banner Open House. I'm Mike Benker Jr., President of Banner Fire Equipment. I want to give you a tour of our new facility. Come on in. Our first stop on our journey is our showroom. When you come in the front door of Banner, one of the first things you'll notice is the variety of products that we have for sale. We sell everything from helmets, boots, gloves, gear, all the above, everything you could ever want. One of our customer service reps will be happy to help you. When you make your way down the hallway, you visit our parts and service teams. We have 3 parts guys ready to help you, and we have a service team ready to get you scheduled in and get all your services and testing done. One of the more notable upgrades is our 36,000 square foot fire truck shop. We have all the capabilities for testing, fabrication, and all sorts of fire truck repair. Let our experienced and trained technicians get you back on the road and back in service in no time. One of the things we pride ourselves on is our fabrication ability to customize a fire truck for your needs. This truck is getting a custom medical cabinet with transverse compartments underneath to store all their EMS gear. This compartment has custom tool boards made here in Banner. The department will be able to hang all their tools and have quick access to them on the fire scene. We also make a variety of storage solutions, like this hose storage tray. This department requested storage solutions for their auto cribbing for extrication, and we designed the slide-out module to allow them quick access to their cribbing. This is a different style tool board with the swing-out capabilities. Allows both sides of the panel to be accessed for storage needs. The last stop on our tour is our parts room. We stock lots of parts for all sorts of repair for valves, fire trucks of all sorts, lighting, fittings, anything you need to get a fire truck back in service. I have a team of parts people here to meet your needs, whether you're fixing it yourself or whether you're bringing it into our service department. Most of the parts you need to get your fire truck back in service are just a phone call away. Thank you for joining us on our tour. If you're in the neighborhood, stop by or visit us at bannerfire.com. When you want food, life gives you donuts. When you want a dog, life gives you Carl. When you want a ride, life gives you a go-kart. When you want a good time and an excellent career choice, life gives you Banner. Come to us now for the tour. She said, I'm gonna write your script for this.